Now that we've got everything spaced out, we're going to be focusing on the structure pieces now, so I'll be packing that out. So for now, we'll put it back into the box, pieces that we're not using at the time, and then we'll just pull them out as we go. In your instructions, you'll see that there's kit contents. Let's just throw everything out. So it's important you have some space to work with. So you'll get this base plate. You'll get the front of the robot, top, two sides. Let's put that here. The back. And now your smaller pieces, which is for these motors. I like to do things to put it a bit neater. And then these three stands over here, servo mount, and then these small guys over here. Okay, we've got everything here, and we can just get going. So just to recap, it's the base, it's the back of the motor, the front, the two sides, the top, the servo mount, stands plus the stand pin, general pins, motor mounts over here, and servo arm over there. And we've got our screws over here and our servo motor, which we're going to need quite quickly.